In many kitchens, a capable food processor is a cornerstone tool for kneading dough, enabling consistent texture, improved gluten development, and hands-off convenience for bread, pizza, and pastry bases. The 5 models reviewed here span a price range from budget to premium, highlighting how motor power, bowl capacity.
List number 1. Ninja Food Processor. The Ninja BN601 Professional Plus combines a 1000 peak watt motor with a 9-cup processing bowl, a dedicated dough blade, and auto IQ presets for hands-free operation. It ships with a dough blade and multiple blades and discs, giving it strong kneading capability alongside chopping and slicing tasks. The 9-cup bowl capacity is well suited for medium to large batches, and the Auto IQ programs streamline routine prep with one-touch operation. The BPA-free, dishwasher-safe components add to everyday practicality, while the safety interlocks help prevent accidental starts. In practice, the 1000-watt peak power delivers solid dough performance for standard bread or pizza doughs, though very dense or high hydration doughs benefit from longer kneading times or a 2-step approach, mixing then kneading. The included dough blade accelerates mixing and gluten development, producing a smoother dough compared to basic blades. User feedback highlights the large batch capability and stable bowl with a relatively compact footprint, though some users wish for more precise speed control beyond the 3 speeds. Cleaning is straightforward since components like the 9-cup bowl, blades, and discs are dishwasher safe, but care is needed to reassemble the disc adapter correctly for dough work. List number 2. Ninja Food Processor. Ninja NF701 sits at a higher tier with a 1200 peak watt motor and a 12-cup bowl. It expands on the standard Ninja approach with an extra-large feed chute and a fuller set of discs and blades, including a dough blade and an adjustable slicing disc. The 4 Auto IQ programs cover chopping, slicing, shredding, puree, and dough, enabling efficient batch prep for bigger families or entertaining. The heavy-duty construction and updated blade geometry aim to deliver more uniform dough texture and easier mixing for larger volumes. In practice, the 12-cup bowl and 1200-watt motor excel at kneading dough in larger quantities, reducing the risk of crowding that can hamper consistent gluten development. The 3-part push system in the XL feed chute minimizes prep time by accommodating whole vegetables and larger ingredients. The dough blade works well for pizza and bread doughs, though as with most high-powered processors, dense doughs benefit from careful sequencing, wet-to-dry ratios, and occasional scraping to maintain even mixing. Cleanup remains straightforward with dishwasher-safe parts, and the wider footprint translates to stability during aggressive kneading.
List number 3. Cuisinart Food Processor. Cuisinart's 14-cup DFP14BCNY offers a generous bowl capacity with a 720-watt motor in a traditional slim profile. It ships with standard slicing and shredding discs along with a chopping blade, and it is explicitly noted as having kneading capabilities alongside chopping and emulsifying tasks. The 14-cup capacity makes it a standout for large dough batches, and the motor size is adequate for most homebread doughs and pastry doughs without pushing the limits of electrical strain. The model is backed by a 3-year limited warranty on the unit and a motor-specific warranty, which adds long-term value for frequent users. In use, the 720-watt motor is capable for typical dough tasks, though it may require longer kneading cycles or more deliberate pulsing for high hydration doughs. A potential caveat is that the user manual notes the shredding and slicing blades are not adjustable, which can impact customization for finer dough handling or precise texture control. The 14-cup capacity is excellent for batch work, and dishwasher safe labeling is absent for some components, which is worth noting for cleanup routines. Overall, it's a strong all-around processor with a focus on capacity and reliability.
List number 4. Hamilton Beach Food Processor. Hamilton Beach 7730 combines a 450-watt motor with a 10-cup bowl and built-in bowl scraper, delivering a value-oriented option for everyday chopping, shredding, and light kneading needs. The included bowl scraper and 2 attachments, slicing/shredding disc and reversible S-blade, provide a broad range of tasks in a compact form factor.
The 2-speed plus pulse control gives you basic but solid control over processing texture, while suction cup feet help stabilize the unit on slippery surfaces during operation. It's a versatile, budget-friendly choice that emphasizes convenience and ease of use. In practical kneading scenarios, the 450-watt motor can handle standard dough tasks, but may struggle with high hydration doughs or large volume batches. It's best suited for smaller batches or dough components that are then finished by hand. The ergonomic design and built-in scraper reduce interruption during processing, and the 10-cup capacity is generous for its class. Cleanup is straightforward, and the unit's affordable price makes it an attractive entry point for beginners who want a kneading-capable processor without a premium investment.
List number 5. Fohair Food Processor. Fohair's FP9042 presents a 12-cup capacity with 2 speeds plus a pulse setting and a set of interchangeable blades, including a stainless steel S-blade and a plastic S-blade. It emphasizes a broad range of functions, kneading, chopping, slicing, shredding, and even pasta tasks to offer a versatile all-in-one machine at a budget-friendly price. The included 2 feed tubes and multiple discs provide flexibility for handling various ingredients in batch sizes. The design notes emphasize safety and anti-slip feet, making it a practical option for everyday kitchen use. In kneading scenarios, the Fohair system relies on a 2-speed approach plus pulse to manage dough texture. The 12-cup capacity is competitive for its price, and the included stainless steel S-blade aids durable kneading for bread or pastry doughs. However, some users report that the plastic S-blade and overall motor power may limit performance on very dense doughs or large-scale batches. Cleaning is generally straightforward with dishwasher-safe parts, but keep in mind that disassembly for thorough cleaning can be more involved due to multiple attachments.